Hello, once again, everyone. Thank you for joining me on Michael's Munchies. Today I have some special, themed Herr's Gameday flavor chips. These are Tailgate taco flavor. So these will probably be good. It's getting close to, it's the playoffs for football. And so it should be close to the Super Bowl. So this would be a good thing to get. I got these. It's really hard for me to find Herr's brand. I usually only find it like some specialty shops. Like there's a store in Jordan, Minnesota that has all kinds of different stuff. Usually it's only there. But these I was able to find at Menards. So that's a possibility if you're interested in getting these. Don't smell much. Some nice flavoring salt on there. Okay. They don't smell like much. I guess I can kind of smell what I think would be like the beef and the taco shell. But when I taste it, okay. Yeah. It's not a lot of flavor to me, but they taste, when I taste it, I can vision in my head something similar to this in the picture, but more like almost like a hole in the wall restaurant that's really good but not many people know about it, kind of like taco, not something that's like I don't know, like factory made taco shells, and like not like Taco Bell or Taco John's even, either of those, but just like stuff with like homemade taco shell and then freshly fried beef and maybe like some cheese. Not a lot of stuff on there because I'm not getting anything that would give me the impression of like onion, tomatoes, lettuce, but just really just beef and taco. So I was kind of hoping I'd have more, because usually when I see chips and stuff, when they have like a taco flavor, there's a lot of flavor in there, so it tastes really good. But these, they're okay. But there's no, I don't know, there's no oomph. There's no like, oh wow, like I've gotten with other ones. So yeah, they're not terrible, but they're not really exciting. So it's unfortunate. Okay. Yeah, I mean they taste like tacos, but not really like the ones in the picture. And there's not really much to them, so they're okay. I'd give them like 6 out of 10. So it's kind of a letdown for me. I was hoping for more, but still okay. So I'll try them. There's something different, but they're not. Yeah, they're not exciting. So pick them up if you feel like trying them. Let me know what you think. If you're getting different tastes, but to me, there's not much there. So, oh well. Till next time, everyone. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your food.